The former vice president came to town to talk about the mission of an organization very close to his heart, the Beau Foundation.
Natasha Brown is live in Warminster with more on the partnership the former vice president announced today. Natasha?
Well, former Vice President Joe Biden was here at Ann's Choice Retirement Community earlier this afternoon. He was welcomed by a very warm crowd here today. He was here to continue his late son Beau Biden's mission with the Beau Foundation.
This partnership, I truly believe, will save children's lives.
In keeping with his son Beau Biden's mission, former Vice President Joe Biden announced a partnership between the Beau Foundation for the protection of children suffering from sexual abuse and Doylestown Health in Bucks County.
Child sexual abuse is a leading health risk to children. 1 in 10 children will be molested by the time they are 18 years old.
Biden passionately recounted sobering statistics, touting an expanded initiative with Doylestown Health to allow the Beau Foundation to help train medical staff in recognizing the signs of abuse. Beau Biden started the Darkness to Light's Stewards of Children Foundation 7 years ago while prosecuting an historic pedophile case involving a doctor in Delaware. 27,000 Delawareans throughout the community have now been trained to notice the signs of abuse and try to prevent it.
We just want to make sure that we are out there helping people understand what those signs and indicators are and get kids the help they need.
Laura Jones has already gone through the training with the foundation. She's with Big Brothers Big Sisters of Bucks County.
It's upsetting to hear about the stories, but I feel like I've been empowered and that I'm empowering other people to do something about it so that we can hopefully prevent this from happening in the future and really reduce the number of people who this happens to.
It's a dirty little secret that is out there. And as I said, no one wanted to talk about it, but my son wanted to talk about it.
Biden keeping his son's memory and fight to protect kids alive. Well, the former vice president, Mr. Joe Biden, did say that he wants to make this a nationwide initiative, hoping to train adults across the country in the signs to look for in child sex abuse cases. We're live here in Warminster, Bucks County. Natasha Brown, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, Natasha, thank you.